YouTube, it's Lish. Thanks for checking out my channel. Today we're doing a review of SaltXO. I'm not new to the company at all. I'm a certified VIP Saltbae, okay? And if you want to check out my first video with them, I will have it linked on the screen at the end of the video, along with in the description below. The reason I'm making a second video is because they just came out with a new product. The product they came out with is called Ignite Your Desire. It is a body wash, and it's supposed to complement their body oil called Sensual Desire. Now, listen, I have their body oil, and this oil smells so good, you guys. Like, this is probably the best smelling body oil I've ever owned, and I feel confident saying that. Like, I love this oil. This oil has almond oil, avocado oil, vitamin E, carrot seed oil, and fragrance. We don't really know what's in that fragrance, but that's what makes it smell so good, and I love it. I just wanted to show you that, yes, I have the oil just to show y'all, okay? Because I haven't opened my box yet. I also get my Yoni Gel from there. I love their Yoni Gel. I ordered this maybe a couple months ago, but I've been consistently ordering their Yoni Gel for years now. This one in particular has poppy seeds in it. They have one that is without poppy seeds, and I did buy some of that as well to try it out. But enough about the products I already have. Let's get into the new. Okay, y'all, so what I ordered from SaltXO this time around, a little dusty. Not really dusty, I think it's from the packaging, the little crinkle paper. I ordered 2 of their Yoni Gels. This Yoni Gel is basically the same Yoni Gel I already have, except it doesn't have the poppy seeds. So the one with the poppy seeds is this light pink color, and the one without the poppy seeds is this hot pink. I love this product. Like, anyone that's looking for a Yoni Gel, SaltXO, there's no competition. Like, I've tried other ones. No, this is it. I haven't even tried the one without the poppy seeds yet, but seeing as how it's basically the same thing as what I already have, I can go ahead and say yes. So I ordered 2 of the Seedless Yoni Gels. These are 8-ounce containers. They are like squeezable, so when you use this, you literally can just squeeze it into your hands. It says fights bacteria, removes odor, and maintains a healthy pH. It's hydrating, clean, it uses essential oils, it's protective and effective, cruelty-free, safe for daily use. I do indeed use SaltXO's Yoni Gel daily. That's just how I clean Miss Ma'am down there, and I'm not going back to anything else. So hopefully she understands that she needs to be in this business for my entire life, because what am I gonna do if she stops selling this? I don't know. Avoid contact with eyes. It says that because technically you could use this as a body wash. You could use it on your entire body, but it is pH balancing, so it is specially formulated for Miss Ma'am right here. And the ingredients on this Yoni Gel include deionized water, vitamin E, cucumber extract, lemon extract, aloe oil, avocado oil, cucumber oil, menthol oil, and then a word I can't pronounce. But that menthol oil, okay, like, it gives you that cool sensation. You just feel so fresh and so clean. I don't know how else to say it. Like, the cooling effect, it really helps out. I don't know, just giving you that clean feeling, similar to when you brush your teeth. You know, you like using minty toothpaste, right? Because after you finish brushing your teeth feel nice and minty, and your breath is minty, and you just feel so fresh, so clean, right? Same thing with her. I like minty, okay? Because I like feeling like I am squeaky clean. So for that reason, I prefer to have a Yoni Gel that has menthol oil. Moving right along, I ordered another Sensual body oil. Now, the packaging for this oil has not been updated along with the Yoni Gels, because all the Yoni Gels, the body washes, they all used to have a similar packaging to this, where they just were in some sort of clear container. If I can find a picture, I'll put it on the screen, because I probably have a picture from the last time I did a review. But the Yoni Gels used to be in a clear container and used to have a label similar to the likes of this body oil. Since then, it's been updated to this packaging, which I absolutely love. I hope she keeps it like this for forever. But yeah, I'm waiting to see if she's gonna update the packaging for the oil. All that to say, this is the oil I already have. Now listen, I know it looks like I haven't used it, but that's because I had initially 2 of these. I already used 1 whole bottle. I forgot when I purchased it, but I don't just use this every day. I use this when I want some extra oomph and I really want to smell good. Like that's when I use this. Because it just, you know, like when something's good, you don't want to use it all the time. You want to use it on occasions, or just when you're going out with the girls or date night or something like that. Like when you really want to smell good. Like that's when I use this body oil. Anyway, all that to say, they have not switched up the packaging for this yet. This is the brand new body oil I just bought. And I could smell it even outside of the packaging, and it smells so good. It smells exactly the same as I remember. This is the old oil I had. This is the new. As you can see, same packaging, I'm just missing the top on this one. Also from SaltXO, this is their Tropical Escape body oil. Now this one, I will say I don't care for as much because the smell of this is giving more citrus, sweet, candy type of smell, and that's not really, like, it's cool, but I would give this to a friend or give this to somebody that prefers kind of more of a citrusy candy type of scent. So it's not that it's bad, but if that's your thing, then sure. But my thing is more of the warm, grown, maybe some vanilla. I don't know if there's vanilla in here or not, but it just smells so good. The Sensual body oil. Anyway, I did not just buy this, but I might as well leave it out because y'all really gonna see how much I buy SaltXO. Like when I say I'm a Saltbae, this is what I mean. They're customers that are repeat, that keep coming back. They're Saltbaes, and I'm definitely a Saltbae. I've been a Saltbae since, it's been some years. I'll put it on the screen because I can't remember at the top of my head, but certified Saltbae. Let's continue. So, the other thing I purchased, which I don't think I have the old bottle to show y'all. I just ran out and I think I threw it out. I wish I kept it so you could see the packaging difference. But this is also a staple for me. This is their Femme Rejuvenating Oil, okay? And this is the cutest little bottle, ain't it? So I've been buying this consistently too for years now, but up until now, it's been packaged differently. This is my first time getting this Femme Rejuv Oil that looks like this. I'll put on the screen what it looked like up until now. But this is so cute. I just love it. I love this repackaging. That's what I'm saying. Like, I can't wait for the body oil to get on board with the rest of the packaging. But yes, this rejuvenating oil, I basically use this after my showers on a daily basis. You know, after I'm getting fresh and clean, and I use my Yoni Gel to clean down there. And maybe this is TMI, but I clean here and I clean there because the whole shebang needs to be needs to be sparkly clean, squeaky clean. Oil her with this. And when I say oil, I mean not just the surface outside, but like TMI within like the flaps and whatnot. Oh, I know. But you know what I'm saying. Like, what I'm about to say is for the girls and the girls only. So if you're not a girl, I don't want to hear anything because you weren't even supposed to watch this next part, okay? But this is not only good for just daily use when you're out the shower, but if it's that time of the month and the skin in this area is dry, irritated from, you know, your pad rubbing up against your skin, or if you're wearing a certain type of underwear that irritates your skin, anything that irritates your skin in this area, you can use this oil. Similar to the Yoni Gel, this oil has peppermint oil in it, right? So it's going to give you that cool, clean feeling as well. This is a mix of avocado oil, almond oil, tea tree, lemon peel extract, orange peel extract, and peppermint oil. Apply to your bikini line and vulva daily for best results to soothe inflammation and reduce the appearance of ingrown hairs. If you are using this oil at a time where whatever you want to call her is irritated, when you first apply, do expect it to feel like you just applied peppermint oil on yourself, because you did. So you might feel almost like a burning sensation at first, but then it'll change into a cooling sensation because it's peppermint oil. So if your skin feels inflamed or raw in any fashion, this is still your best friend, even if when you first apply it, it might not feel the most comforting, if that makes sense. This is only 1 fluid ounce, but it does last quite a while because you really don't need a whole lot, right? You just take the little dropper. Even that is more than enough for a use. Like, you just put some in your hands. I personally will just put it right in my hands and I'll just, you know what I'm saying? Like, it just, yeah. I'm a repeat buyer of the gel, the Femme Rejuv Oil for her, the body oil for my body. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the main, I don't know why I'm popping this while trying to talk, the main event, okay? The most exciting product in this package. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, because I want to know if this smells like the body oil or if it's just a scent that is also warm and inviting that is like complementing it, you know? And I'm dusting it off because, like I said, the little paper shreds have lots of little tiny pieces. This is the brand new product, okay? It's called Ignite Your Desire. This is what it looks like. I'll let it focus. There we go. All right, this is also an 8-ounce container, and this is it says Desire Gel. It says intensely moisturizes, soothing formula, it balances pH. So because this balances pH, you might just be able to use this anywhere, including on her. But me, myself, that's what my Yoni Gel is for. I'm using this as a body wash, and I'm really interested to see what this smells like, so let's get into it. Babe, before I smell her, let's read the bottle. Okay, why you'll love it. Desire Gel. Indulge your senses with our all-natural Desire Gel. Crafted to ignite your desires, deeply hydrate your skin, and leave a lingering tropical aroma, this luxurious formula elevates your daily shower routine to a moment of pure bliss. Key ingredients: lemon oil for relieving stress and it's antibacterial, cucumber extract, which increases hydration and soothes skin. When I look at the ingredients for the Sensual Body Oil, I'm not seeing lemon oil or cucumber extract, so I wonder what this smells like, because it doesn't sound like it's gonna smell like the Sensual Body Oil. But we gonna see, so let's open this up. Okay. Listen. Yeah. This smells identical. I'm excited, y'all. I'm saying this smells just like it. Okay, so this must also have some sort of lemon something in it. Like, it says fragrance, so maybe that fragrance bit has to do with lemon. Oh, it's so good, it's so good, it's so good. I know I was just saying I don't care for citrus when I was talking about the Tropical Escape, but like I said, this literally smells like orange Starburst to me. This, now that it mentions it, it does have lemon as like a main note that you smell. But it is also warm. Like, I don't know how to, I wish I had a way to describe this better. I really do. This is so good. It's so good. It is so good. Ooh, it's perfect. It's a perfect match for this. Like, I don't know when these things expire, but I'm about to buy a whole lot more, because when she released this, it said it was a limited release. And I'm like, what's that supposed to mean? Like, what if I want to buy this for the rest of my life? Like, what do you mean it's a limited release? Oh my gosh, I can't even listen. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have to shower with this. I already showered like an hour or two ago when I got home from work, but I'm gonna have to do another one. I'm gonna have to shower again just for y'all, because I wanna see how it lathers. And like, I want the scent to just fill up the room. Let's go over the pricing. The price for one of these Ignite Your Desires is $17.99, so about $18. And like I said, you get 8 fluid ounces. And then as far as the Yoni Gel, same thing, $17.99 each. So we can go ahead and assume that this is $17.99 on the website. Again, this is the one that has the poppy seeds, and these are the Yoni gels without the poppy seeds that I just bought. High key, I bought it because it's hot pink. Don't judge me. I have nothing against the poppy seeds. And then for the Sensual body oil that I already own, it goes for $22 on the site. The Tropical Escape body oil is probably also $22. And then this Femme Rejuv Oil for bikini line and vulva, $25. So it's actually kind of funny because the smaller you go in the packaging, the more expensive. We went from $17.99 to $22 to $25. My new favorite body wash, which I think after this video, I'm gonna go ahead and buy a whole lot more. Because if this is a limited release, like my heart is already broken. That's about it for this unboxing. It doesn't seem like she puts ingredients in her products. It is woman owned, by the way, Black woman owned. But it doesn't seem like she puts ingredients in here just because. Like if it's in here, it's probably in there for a purpose. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you've tried SaltXO. If you haven't, try it out. Maybe don't buy a whole lot of products until you know that you like it and that your skin doesn't have any weird reactions to it, of course. Thank you for checking out the channel. Mind you, this channel is not just body care. This is a product review channel. So unboxing, I'm not just skincare, but we're talking all kind of products. We're talking food reviews. We're talking how-tos. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, subscribe, stay tuned. And if you have any requests, let me know about that too. Stay blessed, stay prayed up, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye.